Hi guys, I'm here again with my paints, with my watercolor paints. I did some more swatches and I think I might be getting a little bit better at getting, an even color. This is only spackled because I sat it down before it dried. These are a little bit better. This is the last one that I did. So I'm getting better at that. So that's good. So today I'm using some browns. I brought this along just to show you. Isn't that cute? I just love it. So I got a new book and I did these new things. Anyways, but today we're going to be doing some, oh, I forgot to get this. I'm just going to put some water on one of these first so it can kind of, let's do a couple of them, so it can soak that up. We're just going to do some colors. We're just going to play today. So I wanted to play with some browns because I don't normally do browns. Yeah. And I saw this lady, oh my God. I don't know if you can see that, it was a little hair. I saw this lady who did this from a book. About abstract paintings. Now, I don't know. I don't have this book. But I just watched this video and she said, you're, basically just to play. We want to connect some of them like that. I'm going to put a little bit of blue in here too. Just because I have some there still. I don't know if my head's in the way. I have these different browns out here. I can't really tell much of a difference between them. And I'm thinking, I don't even know which one I used. I'm thinking when you use them more and mix them, oh, see that blue has some sparkle in it. I don't know if you can see that. And it looks here like there's something on the paper. I've been cleaning. I think a lot of us do that this time of year. I've been cleaning and every time I clean, things get lost. I had my tape. Wanted to tape these out. Can't find it, of course. But I did find this watercolor pad that I probably bought years ago. so I'm gonna use it. I also found some sketches that I did back in 2017 and 18. And I seem to recall at the time that I didn't really like them much. I didn't think I was very good. But now I look at it and go, you know, it's not half bad. And you just have to practice. I was drawing faces at the time. And they weren't bad. I mean, they weren't terribly good, but they weren't bad. They weren't too bad anyways. I'm going to put a little blue in here just because. I don't know if I used this one yet. I don't remember now which colors are which. I don't know if it matters. They're drying a little faster than I thought. Maybe I don't have them wet enough. Oh, hey, there we go. That's better. Let's put some gold on this one since it's still wet. Whoa. I don't know how well you can see that, but that's pretty cool. It's spreading out just a bit. I don't know. Wow. Oh my God. I love these golds. This is dry already, so it probably won't mix in with it, but that's fine. Okay, let's mix some of this gold that's on the brush with this brown here. Oh, yeah, okay. All right. I don't know if you can see it. I don't know if you can see the shimmer and shine. So pretty. Okay, I'm not going to do any more on camera. I think I might do more. But that's it for now. I might do some doodles on these when they're done. Or maybe I'll do this one. That's what I'll do. I was going to let it dry, but I can do this one. Look at how pretty that is. I want more of this color. I think it's this one. Yeah, more water. I just needed more water. I'll connect those a little bit, but they're not enough water. That's it. There we go. There we go. So let's mix this blue with this. I think this one is yellow sienna. Wow, that's kind of an ugly color. Oh, sort of greenish, right? That's funny. All right, let's just do more brown in there. Let's do this brown. Okay, enough of that. That's not very pretty. Let's do this one. Let's get some of this other gold. I don't know what the difference is between these golds. Doesn't really seem to be a lot of difference. You know, even when I did swatches, I didn't really see much difference. And let's mix this with this here. Wow. It's not really a different color, is it? Well, let's do this. I'm just getting more paint off of the paint tray off camera. Let's do this a little bit. Okay. That's a C for my name. Yeah, I need better brushes. These brushes are probably they're for one thing, they're probably acrylic brushes and not watercolor brushes. That's just lifting up. And even if they were watercolor brushes, I probably use them for acrylic paints, which you're not supposed to do. That's sort of pretty. Okay. I think I'm going to do some doodling on this. And I've run out of paint, except for this ugly green that I made. So I think that's it for now. Thanks for watching.